For this video, we're gonna make
nuts.
What are the ingredients?
Cocoa people
Peanut butter
and peanut butter.
and Hershey's egg. We also need chocolate chip.
Chocolate chips.
And a little oil. Now our chocolate chip is melted.
4 cups of cocoa cables. Two. 3. 4.
Before we continue, please don't forget to like, subscribe. So let's put the chocolate in here.
Peanut butter.
Okay.
Eggs. Together.
Okay. Come on, mix. Now that it's mixed together, set aside. Put a little bit oil.
Where?
Let's put in the freezer for 1 hour. After 1 hour in the freezer, now it's done.
Now we can chocolate. Yes. Oh, I want. Oh.
Put here. Here it is. Help me, can you help me? Wait, can you help me decorate the nest? Put here.
Blue, green. Other one.
Other one.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Other one.
Three. Get only 3. Oh, put here.
Yeah.
Different color.
Green.
Now we're finished. This is our chocolate nest.